friends, how are you doing? From today, I'm starting a new series of tutorial about programming in Java. Okay, so this tutorial is actually focused on those who want to learn Java from the beginning. So I'll be starting from installation and configuration. This video is on installing Java and configuring Java environment variable. Okay, so installation, I'm not going to show you the installation. If you have, you can try yourself. I will provide you the actual URL from where you can download the Java JDK package. And if you face any issue, you can please comment on my video, or I'll provide my email. You can email me. Okay, I can personally assist you how to fix any issue regarding installation. So for installation, this is the site. If you know that Java previously belonged to the Sun company Sun, but now it is completely acquired by Oracle. So you have to download all kind of Java product from Oracle site. So this is the site. I will provide you the link here. If you go down, you can see there are several versions are there. There are Linux based or Mac OS, and Solaris are there, and Windows. So this is for Windows. So this is the actual download path. Okay, so if you click on it, and you can just go and you can download it here. Okay, so I'm not going to download it. It's already installed here. I'll show you in the program and features. Here, if you see, we have Java 8 update 20 and Java AC development kit. So when you install it, you have in program files, you have Java in JDK 1.8. You have both. This is the JDK, and inside that there is JRE. Okay, so what is exactly JRE and what is JDK? JDK is a Java development kit. So if you want to do any development based on Java, you have to install JDK. But if you are not a developer, if you are only using some applications which need Java platform, okay, so then you have to install JRE. JRE is nothing but it is Java Virtual Machine. Java Virtual Machine is a machine independent platform which convert all the Java code into machine compatible code, which is called bytecode. Okay, so it is completely machine independent, whether you are using an Intel based machine, whether you are using a Linux, whether you are using an Apple Mac OS based machine, whatever. So everything is, all Java code are compatible. Okay, just like C or C++, these are machine independent. So when you will install this, you will get both. First, there will be option of installing JDK 1.8, and after that it will ask you to install JRE. So after installing, I'm going to show you how to configure the environment path variable. Okay, so this is very important. You need both of the thing. Like one thing you need is set the path variable to the exact path where the java.exe is located. Okay, all the not Java, also java.exe, java w.exe. So you have to mention the Java home bin directory, and another is you have to set the Java home. Java home is required for development. The person who are developing Java applications using some interface like NetBeans, Eclipse, or any kind of Microsoft VCode or Notepad++ or Sublime Text, whatever you are using, you need a Java home. So for that you have to go to the Explorer, right click on My PC. If you are using Windows 10, you have to go to the My PC or My Computer's properties. From there you have to go to the advanced system settings. From system properties you have to go to the environment variable, and find, like, see, we have Java home here. So if you don't have this, just click on new, write Java_home and set the path. Like path here we have D Java JDK 1.8.0 underscore 152. This is the version. Okay, another thing what you need is a path. If you click on the path, just a moment. If you click on the path, you will have this. See, this is the Java home / bin. So bin directory you have to mention in the path. If you don't mention this, then if you go to the command prompt and type Java, you will get command not found kind of thing. Okay, so from whatever path we click, so what is exactly environment variable? Environment variable recognize the command from the path which is mentioned in the path variable. Okay, so if you write here echo %path it will provide the path. In this path you can also, it is not possible right now to find out, it's a wastage of time. You can see that the path, Java path will be mentioned here. Also in the environment variable I can see this. So if you don't have, or if you suppose change your Java home, if you have installed some new version, just click on the edit, select it and click on the edit version and just change the value here. So this is the value. Okay, so the environment variable is Java home and path, and the value is, and in Windows 10 it is very good that each and every variable value is been mentioned separately. In previous version we have to mention it by putting a semicolon. So this is how you put the path, and here you put the Java home. Okay, so Java home is not a multiple value thing like path, so there is only a single thing here. Okay, we have a single value, single path variable and single value. So you can mention it in both system and user variable. Okay, see, I have mentioned it in both. So to verify that your path variable is same, is okay. So and the version is showing the latest version, type Java space hyphen version. See, Java version 1.8.0 _ 20 and Java SE runtime environment. Okay, Java hotspot, whatever is there, 64-bit server. And another thing I have to like to mention, that always use a bit compatible version. If you are using a 32-bit machine, install a 32-bit machine, 32-bit Java JDK, and if you are using a 64-bit machine, use a 64-bit. Like in 34-bit, if you install, I don't know, you will not able to install 64-bit any version, but in 64-bit you can install the 32-bit, but there can be compatibility or different kind of issue. So bit version compatibility is very important. So let us now do one thing. Let us just run a small program here, okay, just to check that whether it is. And let us now just test with a small program. We will run a small program in Java and from the command line and test that whether it is working or not. Okay, so I have a program here in the drive. Sorry. First program.java. Public class for first prog, public static void main, and system.out.println hello world. Okay, so I'll not explain anything about the code here. I'll just want to say one thing, that this println actually is print a statement, print a line in the command line. Okay, and it will print hello world. So first what we will do, I've already showed you the environment variable setting. So anything inside the bin directory any program can be called. So there is a program called Java C, which is actually Java compiler. Then I will write first prog.java. So when I compile this first prog.java, it create a class file which is a binary file consisting of bytecode. If you check here the first proc, you can see we have two files here. One which I have created, that is firstproc.java, and after I compiled it, it created a binary file which is called firstproc.class. Now I will write java space firstproc. Okay. So you don't have to mention dot class name here. Okay, so let us see what is the output here. It's a bit slow here. Okay, I can see there is hello world. So when I execute the firstproc binary from this executable file with Java program, it actually execute the program and give the output hello world, which I have written there as system.out.println. What happens if I put dot class? Okay, do not load main class. So this is not out of scope of this particular video to explain why this error is coming when I'm giving dot class. Okay, so but I can see that you have to give only the file name, which is firstproc java space the file name, not extension name, and it will give the console output. It will give the result, which is actually done by system.out.println. So what we have learned today, we have learned how to install Java. Okay, installing both JDK and JRE. Okay, Java Development Kit and Java Runtime Environment. And Java Development Kit is for development, doing product development in Java, application development in Java. And Java Runtime Environment is for running the application. Okay, for running the application you need a Java environment, which will JRE, which is actually Java Virtual Machine. Okay, which is a universal independent platform with converting, reading the bytecode, okay, or executing the bytecode information whatever is compiled in from a Java file. And so you need both of this, and I'm using JRE 1.8, and then setting the environment variable. In environment variable we are setting the path where we are mentioning the bin directory. Okay, where exactly all the program are there, like Java for executing the application, Java C for compiling the source code .java file. Okay, and also the Java home. Okay, Java home, I'll show you later that why why the Java home is actually required. And another thing I like to mention here, because I don't have using the Linux environment here. If somebody is using Linux environment, for them it is very useful. Let us open the notepad and let us open a just demo file. Okay, in Linux environment, normally in Linux the Java is installed in user Java. Okay, so it's then inside that it can be JDK 1.8 underscore 152 some version. Okay, so this is the path. So what you have to do, you have to open in root. I mean, you have to switch into root, like su root. Okay, so putting a command, you switch into the root. After that you open for editing vi dot bash rc. Okay, so you have to open that file, this file. It is in the home directory. Okay, or wherever. Okay, suppose you are working particular in your user. Suppose I'm working in my user Subroli. Inside that you have dot bash rc. Okay, you open this file. After that you write there export Java home equal to this one, then path equal to, sorry, export path equal to path semicolon, sorry, dollar path colon, after that you have to put this one slash bin. Okay, save the file. What you have to do, you have to again close the command line terminal and again open the terminal as Shubhranil. So whenever you log into the terminal using the user in the home directory of Shubhranil, the dot bash rc, so somewhere it is in Linux environment it is dot bash rc, somewhere it is also dot bash profile. So you have to check what startup file you have, okay, in which all this environment variable are mentioned. So you have to mention this, and after that you can execute the Java program from anywhere you like. Okay, so this is how environment variables is set in the Linux environment. So this is how we set up and configure the Java environment installation and configuration. In the next tutorial we will be starting with the program. We will be starting with small program, how to create a public class, how to write a executable main program inside it. So I'll come back with that sooner. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can get further video on this, and you can learn slowly. And please put a comment on my video. If you have any question, I will also provide my email ID. Okay, you can mail me. Okay, and if required, if you need a discussion, I can also provide my WhatsApp contact. You can message me in WhatsApp and we can discuss whatever problem you have. I'll try to fix them. So that's all about this video, and I'll come back sooner with the next one. Till then, goodbye and good night.